Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got a what's for dinner video for you today. This video also has some lunch clips in it as well. This first clip was at my parents' house. My mom has been making these eggplant meatballs lately. This is just a quick clip because the day we went, she was doing a bunch of canning. These are obviously pickles that she had just freshly canned from cucumbers from the garden. The eggplant meatball recipe I am still trying to get from her, and when I do, I will link it in a video down below in the description box. She did stuff them with mozzarella cheese, and she also made turkey meatballs as well. So there were two different kinds of meatball choices. She served it with penne, her sauce, some bread, and a salad. This next clip is green bean casserole. I do not know what happened to the footage after this clip because I remember this dinner we had a roasted chicken with that green bean casserole, but I don't know what happened to the rest of the footage. The next clip here, I did these mixed veggies. This is just like a great value stir fry veggie pack that I just stir fried up with a little bit of soy sauce. We had some grilled marinated chicken with it, and then we also had some risotto. The next clip is this broccolini that I roasted with EVOO, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes, some New York strip steaks, and some good old mashed potatoes on the side. I love broccolini. I don't eat it that often. I often actually forget about it, but I really love it. This is some of the Simply potatoes, like shredded potatoes. They come in like a green bag. So I just cooked them up. I had some ham steak that I diced up, some onion, and I just fried it with the potato and the ham. And then I added 3 large scrambled eggs right to this potato mixture. I just call these breakfast scrambles. You really can add any mixture of any items that you like. I usually start with a potato base, and sometimes I'll add sausage, bacon, or ham, and then I always add some egg. Sometimes I'll add other vegetables as well, but this one was pretty simple. And we actually have been eating a ton of apples lately, so in a dinner like this that's breakfast-ish, I will just cut up some apple and we'll have it like as a little side dish with the breakfast scramble. So we just plate up a nice big portion. Whenever I make this, there's always leftovers, and it's a really nice breakfast option in the morning because all you have to do is just put it in the microwave. I did top my husband's with some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I don't think I opted for cheese on mine. Sometimes I also will mix the cheese in right in the hot pan so it kind of melts into the potato and egg and meat mixture. And then we just top ours, usually with hot sauce, but today we did a little bit of ketchup. And then as you can see, we had the apples on the side. And there is my plate, the same as my husband's, but no cheese on it this night. The next clip coming up is a dinner that I absolutely love. It is roasted sausage and peppers, and this one I added some zucchini because this was a time when I had a bunch of zucchini from my parents' garden. So this is just sweet Italian sausage roasted with tricolor, sweet peppers, onion, and the zucchini. And then I made some rice-a-roni on the side. I think this was the beef flavor if I'm not mistaken, but it makes a nice huge portion, and anytime we have leftovers, they are lunch the next day. This night here, we had some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I really do enjoy. Just simple salt and pepper, a little bit of EVOO, and my husband actually grilled them up, and he also grilled these cherry tomatoes right on the skewer, and you just want to grill them just barely so they kind of blister a little bit and they pop when you bite into them. I just drizzled them with a little bit of the Trader Joe's balsamic glaze. I love the Trader Joe's balsamic glaze. It's really thick and has a really nice flavor. I use it on a lot of different tomato and cucumber options. It's just a really good, delicious sauce. I also did some curried roasted cauliflower. I just took a huge head of cauliflower, put it on a sheet pan, and put a ton of curry. This is a random lunch clip. I think there's a few lunch clips coming up. This is a brioche roll with ham, Swiss cheese, spicy mustard, and some romaine lettuce, some grapes, a Trader Joe's chewy chocolate chip granola bar, and some baby carrots with peanut butter for my husband's lunch one day when he was working too far away from home to come back for lunch. And that is what he took that day along with the water cooler. Another lunch clip here. I do like these little snacky boxes for my husband. So olives, some clementine or mandarin, some hard-boiled eggs, pepperoni, some crackers, and then I believe we have some grapes. And then I think on the side I did like maybe some, it's kind of cheese. It's hard to remember. Yes, it was this Laughing Cow cheese dipper thing. It has like breadsticks with cheese dip, and he said it was really good. And I just packed it all. This trusty cooler has lasted us forever, but I packed it all up in there. This is a recipe that I recently shared a actual video of. It is like a sausage, sweet potato, black bean, chili sort of vibe, and I will link that recipe video down below in case you did not get a chance to check it out, because it's a really good dish, and I just topped it with some sharp cheddar cheese. Really, really easy, hearty, satisfying crock pot meal. And I definitely plan to keep that on my rotation in the colder months for sure, because it is super tasty and delicious. The next meal coming up here is another lunch clip. It is a sandwich here. I can't remember from just looking at this as I'm editing what exactly it was. I think it was salami. Yes, it was hard salami, spicy mustard, romaine, and some Swiss cheese. And I gave my husband a ginger ale, one of these Capri Suns, of course his water cooler, which is his main source of drinking his fluid throughout the day. And then also these little dilly bite pickles, I believe, like dill pickle chips. I've also tried this product in the carrot version, and it's actually really good. So if you ever see the carrot version, pick it up. It's delicious if you like carrots. Some hard-boiled eggs as well. Those are just little containers that I've had from Home Chef, a banana, some fruit snacks, and that is what he took for lunch that day. And then coming up next is another favorite of mine. I absolutely love doing munchies and like appetizers for dinner, especially during football. So this was a night when football was on, and we did these little mini buffalo chicken egg rolls. So they're like little mini egg rolls. We did these broccoli, cheese, maybe cauliflower little bites. I got them at BJ's. They're like a healthy version of a tater tot, and then shrimp cocktail. This next clip coming up, I've just got a huge amount of romaine lettuce spinning in my salad spinner because I needed to use this lettuce up. So you're going to see a couple salads coming up. As you can see, I've got taco meat going. I've got yellow carrot from my parents' garden. Love yellow carrot. Cherry tomatoes and cucumbers also from my parents' garden. And I just assembled the romaine with the taco meat, and then I have some pickled jalapenos, some olives, and then the veggies that I showed you with some drizzle of ranch and also a drizzle of taco sauce. I like the combination of the ranch with the taco sauce, and we had that for dinner. This next clip here is this Grill Mates McCormick Brazilian Steakhouse marinade mix. I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, as you can see here, ready to intercept the marinade. This was a really good marinade. It was the first time I had ever tried this one. It was really good. I think it's a newer one because I haven't seen that flavor before, but I did this in the morning. I thawed the chicken out and just poured the marinade over the chicken breast. I believe it was around, late morning, and let it kind of marinate in those juices all day long. And then we grilled them up, and look how delicious. The marinade just sticks right to the meat. It infuses it. It's so good. The rest of the romaine, because I salad spun 3 heads of it, and we had to use it up. So we had the grilled chicken with the French's fried onions, some fresh veggies, some ranch, and that beautiful grilled chicken on top. And it was just absolutely delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video of dinner and lunch clips. I have not put out a dinner or lunch video in a while for me because A, I've been super busy, and B, I have been sharing different kinds of content on my channel. As some of you may know, I've been starting to share like reselling content of my reselling journey, and it's just something that I really needed to do for me because I'm just getting a little bit burnt out of the dinner and lunch videos. It's just I've been doing them for so long that I just want to add a different element to my channel. I hope you understand. I'm still going to continue to do food related content, but I just want to incorporate other things as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.